anything, I'm just glad I made these videos so that, you know, if if I'm not here anymore, people could watch these and know that they could gain a better relationship with God too, no matter what the circumstance is. No matter if their life's going great or if it's going bad, they understand that they have to choose God first in everything. March 11, 2024. God, I'm tired of feeling sick and drowsy, but I understand that even though I don't feel 100%, I must give 100% of myself to you. For so long, all I did was put trust in myself, as if I could answer all of my prayers, as if I could save myself. I'm nothing without you. God, please heal my heart, because it has been broken by the world. I put trust in man, ignorant to their own imperfections. I blame myself for blindly following those who sought out the end of me. Now sitting here with tears that won't fall from my face, but tears that fall in my mind, because in my mind is where my sin is acted out a lot of times. God, heal my mind so that my thoughts are pure and my attention is focused on you. God, heal me and to take away this disassociation I face. Sometimes I don't feel like I'm here, but your word gets me through the days. I wrote this morning because I'm not gonna lie. For the past couple of months, it's just it's just been it's been a lot uh to just get through a regular day. You know, most days aren't the best, and little days are good. You know, and I try to distract myself, and I try to tell myself that I'll be okay. And this whole time, I've just been learning more about God and trying to build a better relationship and trying to be a better servant. But it hurts to wake up and just feel the way I feel. I don't like it. I asked for help, and I'm getting through. I'm feeling better than when I first came. You know, if you didn't know, I was how do I talk about this? I'm gonna just be honest. I think I felt like I lost everything. I feel like I lost everything chasing my own understanding, and now I'm in now I'm back home. I live with my mom again. I used to have my own apartment, and I didn't leave because like I couldn't afford it or anything, or I lost my job or something. I ended up moving because, if I'm being honest, because I lost myself. And being in an apartment alone, states away from anybody, any friends, can disrupt your mind, especially when my main focus was work, work, work. I was clinging on or holding on to nothing because everything that I believed in before, all it did was bring me pain. And around March of last year, I had made a video talking about connecting to source. And I didn't quite understand what I was talking about at the time, right? I was like, "Oh, I'm going to connect to this source, this God, you know." But I was still looking at it through like this new age type of lens, and not how I look at it now. And I believe 2 months after that, I started watching new age to Christianity videos. And then by September, I had went back to church, and then 2 days later, no, a week later, I was in the hospital, dizzy, afraid, scared, listening to him on repeat, not knowing what to do, not knowing if I was going to make it. And the doctors didn't make me feel any better because they looked at me and they were like, oh, um, if you have a seizure, come back. And I was afraid. So I came back home and I stayed here for a month. After a month, I didn't feel any better. So I went back up there and I packed up everything and I said, I'm moving back and I'm going to spend time with God and I'm not leaving again until I have an actual relationship because I tried doing it my way and I got lost. So in my writing today, I asked God to heal me. I understand that I haven't walked the way I needed to walk for the past couple of years. And I have a big deal of regret for doing it so. But I also understand that I did need to learn what I needed to learn to help people who may be going through a similar situation, right? So I'm I'm right now I'm trying to get better. Um I got some exams this week, gonna get an MRI scan and um ultrasound. I don't know what's going on, but through God, anything's possible. I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. And if anything, I'm just glad I made these videos so that, you know, if I'm not here anymore, people could watch these and know that they could gain a better relationship with God too, no matter what the circumstances. No matter if their life's going great or if it's going bad, they understand that they have to choose God first and everything. So I'm gonna leave with this psalm that I had found that I feel like pertains to the situation. It's Psalm 41. It says, "Blessed is the one who considers the poor. In the day of trouble, the Lord delivers him. The Lord protects him and keeps him alive. He is called blessed in the land. You do not give up to the will of his enemies. The Lord sustains him on his sick bed, and his illness you restore him to full health. As for me, I said, O Lord, be gracious to me. Heal me, for I have sinned against you. My enemies say of me in malice, when will he die and his name perish? And when one comes to see me, he utters empty words, while his heart gathers iniquity. When he goes out, he tells it abroad. All who hate me whisper together about me. They imagine the worst for me. They say a deadly thing is poured out on him. He will not rise again from where he lies. Even my close friends in whom I've trusted, who ate my bread, has lifted his heel against me. But you, O Lord, be gracious to me and raise me up that I may repay them. By this I know that you delight in me. My enemy will not shout in triumph over me, but you have upheld me because of my integrity and set me in your presence forever. Blessed be the Lord, the God of Israel, from everlasting to everlasting. Amen and amen. I hope that by you watching this, I hate crying, I'll be honest with y'all. But by you watching this could help you get through situations that you may be in and help you power through by the grace of God. I pray that you continue on your journey, seeking Him, and put your trust in Him, that He'll heal you just like He'll heal me. I hope you have a great day.